Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to fix cursor click disable not working in your website. So, if you're looking easy video guideline to prevent the click event using CSS, then you can continue this video. So, let's get started. Here is one of my client website and you can see that there are a infinitive animate image gallery or product gallery, and if I put my mouse or hover my mouse on any product, then you can see this is linkable or clickable, and we can see that there is a hand and stop the infinitive carousel. So we wanted to remove the hand or disable the click, also fix the event working on this way. So first I'm going to disable the cursor click. To do this, going to right click of my mouse, select inspect, then select the element selector and select this element. You can see that there is a code, a link, and this class is marquee, and we are going to add a new class cursor default. Now you can see that the hand remove, user cannot understand that there is a link. We have done this one, but there are another problem. Let me show you. If I click on there, it's go to the top. That means the link is still working, though we have disabled the interface, but in the internal it's also working. So click on any product, it's go to the top. We want to remove or fix this one also, so that when someone click on there or on any product, it does not go to anywhere, like go to the top or scroll to top. Okay, to do this, again I'm going to open the inspect, then select the product and going to add another class pointer event none. Now if I click of anyone or on any product, it does not go to anywhere. Actually the click function does not working there. So I hope you understand how you can fix it. You have to just find out the class, then add this code cursor default pointer event none. So then you have to copy all the code, right click of your mouse, then click on the copy rules, then you have to add this code on the base.css file, and if you use WordPress, then you have to add this code in the style.css file. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any help relevant WordPress, Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.